Hi, I'm Alan Smith, and I've created a 3-day personal skills development program called MindFlip to help provide a series of rapid tools to change your mind for action. I ask people why they don't always take the action they need to, and 6 common factors emerged. They were being fearful, not being focused, needing to learn more, needing more resources, keeping the passion, and more creativity. Probably one of the biggest reasons why people don't take action is fear. It's fear of failure, fear of change, fear of looking foolish, etc. Well, let me show you how MindFlip works here. The first step is to identify whether the fear is real or not, because most of our fears actually aren't real. They exist only in our imagination. The great news, though, is that those ones can be dealt with because you made them up, which means you can make other ones up just as easily. We all have film libraries in our mind made up of memories. However, a lot of the movies that we store away aren't actually memories. As I just said, we've made them up. They never happened. Think of a food that you think you don't like, but you've never actually eaten. You've created your own movie of what it would taste like, what the texture's like, etc. You've now become fearful of eating it. But the movie isn't real. You haven't eaten that food. It's not a memory, you made it up. Now think about how many fears we have that are stopping us from taking action, important action sometimes, that aren't real. This is where it gets exciting. In MindFlip, I will teach you how to not only identify which movies are real and which aren't, but I will also show you how to rapidly change those movies into ones that will let you take the first steps towards the action you want to take. Don't let fear control you. Take control. Change your mind. Flip it. Okay, so now it's time to focus. If you don't know what you're trying to achieve, then how can you take action to achieve it? Seems obvious, doesn't it? But I find that so many people don't have the right focus in their work or life in order to take the best action to get the results they want. Where you put your focus is where you get your results. We've all experienced this at times in our lives. Have you ever looked at a car and decided you'd like one just like that? What happens now? You see it everywhere. Wherever you look, they keep popping up. Why does that happen? It's all to do with what I call the brain filter. We have so much information going into our brain at any one time, it's impossible to focus on everything. Therefore, you have a filter that determines what's important to you at any one time and what you need to take notice of. You gave your filter the information that you like a car like that, and then your unconscious started to alert you when it noticed similar cars like that around. This happens all the time. And it's the simple reason why focus is so important. You see, if you accept my statement that where you put your focus is where you get your results, then you have to accept the flip side of the coin. If you put your focus in the wrong place, you'll get the wrong results. In MindFlip, I will show you how to identify the right focus for yourself, to be clear about what you want, and how to make sure you're communicating it to your unconscious mind in the best way. Then, most importantly, I'll show you how to maintain that focus positively every day. If you feel like you're sometimes just going through the motions, it's time to get a laser-like focus to achieve the goals that you want to achieve.